Hello everyone, welcome to another episode of Roblox Game Development. In today's episode, we're going to make our zombie actually follow you around and kill you. So this should be, if everything goes right, the last episode on how to make a zombie, and then we will start with making ray casting or laser guns. They're to make a laser gun you have to ray cast. So you'll learn ray casting while making a laser gun, and that laser gun will be used to kill this zombie. In fact, it'll be used to kill a bunch of zombies, okay? We're also gonna hopefully be able to get to today, otherwise maybe zombies will go into tomorrow. How to respawn your zombie, but that's really easy, so I'm not worried about it. Alright, let's go and get started. Go to the script, and Roblox still does not remember this whole font size thing. Even with, like, that's gotta be one of the more annoying things about Roblox Studio. Okay, so right now all we're doing is if the zombie already has a target, it checks to see if this new person is closer than its target. If so, it changes target and prints their name. Same down here, okay? It's not the best system at all, alright? And we're actually going to change the name to find nearest target. Usually it's torso, but we're not returning the torso. We're just changing the value of target up top. So, that's why, alright? So this is just changing the target. We can get rid of this whole print thing right now. Because, nah, we'll keep it. So, down here, find nearest target, and then, if target does not equal nil, then, and here's where we're actually going to move the zombie, alright? Script.parent.zombie. Let's go up to the Explorer real quick. I'm going to explain this a little bit because this is going to seem kind of strange. Alright, so it's script.parent, which is named zombie. That leads to this humanoid, which we named zombie, okay? But the thing about this humanoid is, how can I really explain? Humanoids control just about everything. I know to some people it may just seem like that's the thing that makes your name float above your head. That's the thing that controls your health. That's it. But, oh, it's not. Okay, let's scroll down here in the zombie's properties, or humanoid's properties. Alright, so it has your health, has your max health, has your walk speed, which is at 16. The reason they chose 16 is because it's 2 to the power of 4, and in computers and scripting and programming, typically programming, anything to a power of 2 is usually a good thing to use because it's just easier. Not necessarily for computers, but it's how things have worked. Okay, so anything to a power of 2 is usually good. That's why it's not something normal like 15 or anything like that. Alright, so jump. This turns true whenever you press spacebar and you jump. Technically, jump doesn't mean that you are jumping, it means jump. And it makes some script somewhere make you jump, okay? Next is platform, stand, and sit. All are fairly always... platform, stand... To be honest, I'm not sure exactly what that does. Never looked into it, but I'm sure it's useful. You go ahead and go to the wiki on Roblox if you need it for your game. I always encourage researching that stuff because my videos aren't always enough. Alright, and then there's sit, and sit is like when your character's out like this, his legs are out, and you're sitting in the most uncomfortable fashion ever, right? That's what makes you sit. It's not saying you're sitting. It's what makes you sit. To be perfectly honest, that's what makes you sit. And then the target point is that thing we're using for guns. When they click, that's their target point. And the walk to point is where they're walking to. So the humanoid controls just about every animation, every movement, everything about your character except how you look. Everything else is controlled by the humanoid. So, okay, and animations, they're scripted. Also, they're scripted away from just the humanoid. Like, the humanoid doesn't do that. It's what starts the movement, but you have to make the animations and stuff. But just know how powerful the humanoid is. Please research it, because I can't fit it into this video and get what I want done to explain everything the humanoid can do. But let's continue. Alright, so script that parent does zombie. That's leading to the humanoid that we have in our zombie. It's named zombie. Move to, you guys might recognize this. It's in models as well, and you feed in a vector 3. However, with humanoids, you're forced to give a second parameter. I'm gonna actually pull it up so that, because I can't explain things sometimes as well as Roblox already has. So we're gonna go, and where's move to in here? No, won't be down there. I probably ran my mouse over. There we go. Okay, so it attempts to move the humanoid and its associated character to part. Location is as an offset from part's origin. So what this does is it tries to move you to your target, or to a part, like say the base plate, say a wall, something like that, any part. And then the location, the first vector or first variable, is actually how far, or I mean, yeah, basically how far away from that. What angle away? Where do you want to be corresponding to the center of that? Okay. Hopefully I explained that well. So knowing that, what I'm about to do is, it could be the world's worst way of feeding in these parameters, but it works. And if you guys want, you can go and look at free models, find some better zombie scripts if there are really any, which there are. This is a very basic zombie that we're making. Find some better zombie scripts and go ahead and show me, hey, baby, by the way, you could have done this. It would have made it a lot better and a lot easier. I'm happy to take that. Anything to make me better at what I do is great. Alright, so move to target. Alright, target, remember that target variable up top? It's not actually the torso like it is in most scripts, zombie scripts. It's actually the character right now. So target that torso dot position, and then target that torso. That's what we're going to do. Script that parent dot zombie, move to target that torso dot position, target that torso. And now, well, I guess it would help if I right-clicked in the right spot, huh? Alright, so we're back. It finally loaded. And now we're going to walk towards our zombie, holding our pesky light, and we're going to press X. Wasn't it X? I don't remember what button it was, but I could have sworn it was X to turn on the light. Hold on, I've got to check this now. Anyway, so he's chasing us, he's chasing us, right? It's actually working. We jump over him, he turns around, and see, he's right dead on center of us, so I don't know much of a better way. He might be a little fast for a zombie, but in the humanoid, there is that walk speed thing that I talked about being 16 and why it's 16 and stuff. And you can change that to make him slower, faster, whatever you want. But as you guys can notice, if he touches me, I'm just kind of standing there awkwardly close to him. I'm not getting hurt. I'm not dying, right? So we need to fix that. And in order to fix this, we're also going to have to make our current find nearest target work better. So let's go ahead and press X on that, and then go into its script. And the first thing we want to do is if player.character.humanoid, actually, find first child humanoid, and player.character.humanoid.health is greater than 0, then. The reason we want to do this is to make sure there's no like confusion as to what the zombie is looking for. It shouldn't look for somebody that's already dead, or else they're just already a zombie. Okay? Now we're going to add in a function hit arm, and we're going to feed in part, or hit, and function hit torso hit. Alright, now the reason we're making 2 of these is whenever they hit the zombie's arm, they're going to lose some health, but when they hit the torso, that means they're even closer, and they're going to lose more health. So, first we've got to make our connections, though, and this thing's making noise again. Stupid, stupid, stupid thing. Alright. Script.parent left arm dot touched connect hit arm script.parent parent right arm. Now I know you guys might be thinking, why am I doing it this way? Why am I not just feeding in the actual functions directly right there? Well, it's just because it's for simplicity's sake this time. It really wouldn't matter if I did it the other way, but I'm doing it this way for simplicity's sake. That's why. Torso. Okay. So in this hit arm, we're going to check if hit that parent dot I can't type today. Find first child humanoid, then, and we're not actually going to check to see if they're a player, because right now we don't care. The zombie's gonna kill everything. Okay. Then hit that parent dot humanoid, and we're gonna do it in a way we've not done it before. We're not just gonna remove their health. We're gonna do take damage, and we're gonna make a variable up here, and we're gonna make that variable be arm damage, and we're gonna set it equal to, like, I don't know, 10, and tor damage, which will be equal to like 20. 20 might be overpowered. 15. Okay? Take damage, arm damage, and down here we'll just copy and paste this and feed in tor damage. Okay? And now when we test this again, we should be hurt a little bit. That's the end goal here right now. Okay. So we walk over to this zombie, and he'll start chasing us soon. And by the way, even if we went to automatic mode right now, this zombie is not going to hurt us, because there is no, like, humanoid, actually. Okay? So watch him. Line 30 in its script is trying to index a field parent, which is wrong. So, that was the bullet's fault, right? That's right. How can we check if the parent doesn't exist? But they did have a parent. Didn't we put... Let's go check our light. In our light, we should be putting the bullets into workspace, right? Yeah, bullet.parent equals game.workspace. So It's because they got removed right after. Okay. If hit that parent does not equal nil, and hit does not equal nil, meaning in the case of bullets. I didn't even think of that. Let's just copy and paste this if to there though, because I don't feel like changing Tor damage again. Alright, so now when we press F6 and we test this out, and we're almost at 20 minutes. Oh wait, no. You should only, yeah, almost 20 minutes. But I think, I don't know. Whatever. Okay, so I'm in range, he's chasing me, and boom. Now I'm getting hurt, right? But that's not the only thing we wanted to test. We got him to work hurting us, but we also want to see if these bullets are going to wreck him again. Let's see. Whoa. Okay, so the bullets are not wrecking his scripts this time, and that's good. Shoot, darn zombie, go away. This zombie's too fast. Okay, we're doomed. Goodbye, before we die again. That's embarrassing. I'm dying to my own creation. Alright. So there we go, our zombie works. Yeah, he might be a bit fast, but the last thing we want to do is make him regenerate. So let's go back to the script, and we're going to make one last variable, and that's going to be cloned. Alright? And this cloned is going to be set to script.parent clone. Okay? And then we have to make another another connection, but this time to the zombie when the zombie dies. Alright? So we're gonna do this function on death, and then we're just gonna do script.parent. I know I don't have to do it with these brackets and stuff, but I'm following the model I've already set. It's for readability's sake. Okay? Script.parent zombie died connect on death, and all this on death is going to do is script.parent remove, and then actually we'll do this first. And okay, we'll wait 2 seconds after putting our new zombie in. So cloned.parent equals game.workspace. But if we do this, our zombie is going to fall apart again. So what we need to do is cloned make joints. Remember that make joints, or else we're going to run into the same issue we used to have with this zombie. Okay? So I know this zombie is not going to die to our gun, right? No, it's not. But what it will do, let's go ahead and just click zombie, and you guys can trust me, you'll see him die. I'm gonna change his health to 0 after I get him to start chasing me. Okay? There we go. Come on, chase me, zombie. Boom. Oh, would you look at that? That's bad. Thought we were making their joints there. Clone to make joints. Alright, so the problem might be that we need to make their joints after they're in the workspace. From what I just quickly researched, that seems to be the norm for this kind of stuff. So we'll go over there, get this zombie to chase us again, and then I'll kill him. Like I do. I'm the killer of dreams and zombies. Alright, get him to chase us. 0. No, not 0. Point something. 0. Alright, so that fixed the joint issue. He disappeared after 2 seconds after this zombie was there. And then, yeah, it's working. Alright, that's great. So the zombie is done. It took a 20-minute, 22-minute, whatever video. But it's done, and it's chasing us. So, yeah, we're going to stop being chased. Alright, so, thank you guys for watching. Hope you enjoyed learning about how to make zombies. Next, we're going to learn how to kill them with laser guns. So that'll be exciting. Stay tuned to watch. I will I'm skipping over stuff. Alright, please like or dislike this video. Okay, so thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Please hit the like or the dislike button corresponding to how you felt about this video. And I will catch you guys later.